Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make blueberry nut bread. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then lightly grease a 9x5" loaf pan and set it aside for now. Then we're going to toast the nuts to enhance the flavor. So add the chopped nuts onto a small sheet pan. You can use any nuts you like, or you can leave them out if you don't like nuts. And place them into the oven for 5 to 10 minutes. Make sure the oven is preheated all the way before toasting the nuts. Then remove them from the oven and set them aside to cool. Then in a large bowl, add in the flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt, and whisk them until they're combined. Then add in the cold cubed butter, and use your fingers to rub and squeeze the butter into the flour until the mixture is combined and crumbly. Set this mixture aside for now. Then into a smaller bowl, add in the milk, lemon zest, egg, and vanilla extract, and whisk them until they're well combined. Add the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Mix them until they're almost combined but not fully incorporated. Then add in the blueberries. You can use fresh or frozen. And the chopped toasted nuts from earlier. And fold them in just until they're evenly distributed. Don't overmix the batter. Pour the batter into the prepared loaf pan. Level out the top. And if you like, you can sprinkle some more chopped nuts on top of it. And bake it in the oven for 50 to 60 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. When it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool in the pan for about 15 minutes. Then turn it out of the pan, and you can serve it still warm or cooled to room temperature. And that's how to make blueberry nut bread. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.